I started a brand new YouTube channel from scratch. My goal? To see how effective YouTube Shorts could be in growing a channel. To my surprise, in just 1 week, I managed to get millions of views and even achieve monetization. This wasn't luck. It was a combination of strategy, consistency, and understanding the platform. In this video, I'll break down every single step I took so that you can apply the same techniques and grow your channel, even if you're starting from zero. Step 1. Setting up the channel. The first step in my journey was setting up a new channel. Many people think starting a YouTube channel is just about creating an account and uploading videos, but it's much more than that. Your channel needs to look professional, clean, and ready for visitors. While the quality of your content matters most, a well-branded channel can make a strong first impression on new viewers. I started by choosing a simple yet memorable name for my channel. Don't overcomplicate this part. Your channel name should reflect your niche or content style. Next, I created a logo and banner using Canva, a free design tool. Canva is incredibly user-friendly, offering customizable templates for YouTube branding. Within minutes, I had a logo and banner that looked polished and professional. The key here is to make your channel look presentable without spending too much time on it. Branding is important, but it shouldn't delay you from creating content. Focus on getting your channel up and running. Then, refine your branding as you grow. Step 2. Finding the right niche. One of the most critical decisions I made was choosing my niche. A niche determines the type of content you create and the audience you attract. To find the right niche, I opened the YouTube Shorts feed and started scrolling. I analyzed the type of videos that were performing well, paying close attention to the ones with high engagement, likes, comments, and shares. After some research, I noticed a trend: reaction videos. These videos were simple to create and required minimal effort, yet they were getting millions of views. Reaction videos involve responding to images, memes, or clips, making them perfect for creators who want to start quickly without needing advanced editing skills or expensive equipment. I chose the reaction niche because it doesn't require scripts or extensive preparation. It appeals to a broad audience, increasing the chances of going viral. It allows for fast production, making it easier to post consistently. The takeaway? Choose a niche that aligns with your interests but is also simple to execute and has proven engagement potential. Step 3. Content creation. After choosing my niche, I batch recorded 20 reaction videos in one session. This method helped me avoid daily content stress. How I did it? Planning. Picked a mix of images, memes, and clips for relatable reactions. Recording. Set up basic lighting and used my phone. Authenticity over fancy gear. Editing. Used CapCut to combine my reaction and the clip, adjusted to 9:16 format for shorts. Each video only took a few minutes to edit, keeping my workflow efficient. Step 4. Posting strategy. Consistency is the backbone of success on YouTube. I committed to posting 3 shorts every single day. The idea was to maximize visibility by giving YouTube more opportunities to promote my content. Shorts are unique because they are heavily algorithm-driven. The more you post, the higher your chances of one video catching on and going viral. After uploading my first batch of videos, I noticed some traction almost immediately. By the second day, I had 9 subscribers and over 3,000 views. While these numbers might seem small, they were a promising start. Every view and subscriber counts when you're building from scratch. Step 5. The viral breakthrough. On the 4th day, everything changed. One of my videos went viral. This single video brought in tens of thousands of views in just a few hours, and the numbers kept climbing. Viral videos are powerful because they not only boost your metrics but also expose your content to a much wider audience. The lesson here is that you don't need every video to go viral. Even one viral video can have a massive impact on your channel's growth. However, the key is to remain consistent. You never know which video will be the one that takes off, so keep posting. Step 6. Monetization and earnings. By the end of the week, the combined views from my videos surpassed 11 million, and I met the requirements for YouTube monetization. For Shorts, you need 1,000 subscribers, 10 million public Shorts views within 90 days. Thanks to my viral video and consistent uploads, I achieved these milestones in just 7 days. After being accepted into the YouTube Partner Program, I earned $500 from 11 million views. This might seem low compared to long-form videos, but it's standard for Shorts, which have a CPM of around $0.05 per 1,000 views. The key takeaway is that Shorts are an excellent tool for building an audience quickly. While the revenue per view is lower, the sheer volume of views compensates for it. Over time, you can transition your audience to long-form content for higher revenue potential. Step 7. Overcoming challenges. My journey wasn't without challenges. When I first applied for monetization, my application was rejected because of reused content. Some of my videos included clips that weren't original, which violated YouTube's guidelines. To fix this, I added thoughtful commentary to my reaction videos. For example, instead of just showing a sports clip, I discussed the highlights and shared my opinions. This transformed the content into something original, making it eligible for monetization. Step 8. Lessons learned and final tips. Here's what I learned from this experiment. Pick a category that is simple, engaging, and aligns with your interests. Post multiple times a day to increase your chances of success. Even with reaction videos, provide commentary or unique insights to make your content original. Use free tools like Canva and CapCut to simplify branding and editing. While branding is important, your priority should be creating engaging content. Remember, this was my first time experimenting with YouTube Shorts, and I still succeeded. If I can do it, so can you. Start small, stay consistent, and don't give up. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more tips on growing your YouTube channel.